Our login page is working as expected. If you log in using correct email, it logs you in and everything is working. If you do not add any email and try to log in, we see the validations are working. But what if you enter an invalid email or invalid password? Then you see that there are no external authentication services configured. This is not the case. So I want you to pause the video and see why we are looking at this. Okay, I hope you were able to figure this out. The reason is simple. If we switch back, you see it checks if the external count is equal to 0, then we display this message. If you want, you can remove this, but I'll keep it there since I know I won't be facing that issue. Now the reason we are looking at that is if we go to onPost, if the model state is valid, it does everything it is expected to. But what if it's not valid? If it is not valid, or even if the username and password are not valid, then we are adding the model state error and we're returning back to the page. But we are not loading the external logins again. So we have to copy this code inside the get method to load the external logins and paste it before we return back to the page in both the scenarios. Let me restart the application and then our error should go away. Always remember, whenever you redirect back to the page, if it expects a model, make sure you populate that if there is any error. If you do not, then your page or view will behave weird. Let's log in and try an invalid email, and we see invalid login attempt and everything is still the same. Now let's work on the register view in the next video.